Hello my beautiful people, hi, how are you? In today's video I'm going to try out a TikTok makeup hack and spoiler alert, it was a fail, but you'll see that in the video. For my future video, I'm going to look for more TikTok makeup hacks. I'm going to gather them and film a longer video. But today I just wanted to try out this hack because Chris and Dominic posted this video this morning, I think, I don't know. And it looked very interesting to me. It was too good to be true. So if you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Vera and I post a lot of makeup tutorials, clothing hauls, jewelry haul, hair tutorials, all that good stuff. So if you guys like what you see, hit the red button, ring the bell, activate all the notifications so you can get notified every single time I'm posting a new video on my channel. And let's just jump into the video. What I don't like about Reels is the fact that you can't pause the video. You can pause it. Wait, we don't need music because I'm going to get demonetized. So this is the video. I'm going to play it for you guys.
I've tried a lot of lifting placements, but this one I have not tried.
Here. She's using a brush.
This is so different.
I hate using brushes with concealer or foundation.
Put it in here. Pretty much how we would normally lift our face. When you're blending this out, you just want to tap everything in its place because you're going to lose the placement of the lift. So especially right here, I'm so curious. It's giving threading. Before, after. What do we think?
So I think I'm going to conceal on this side. I'm going to conceal how I would normally do it. I'm going to try this hack on this side. I do have the Shiseido concealer. I feel like this is a little bit too light for me right now because I have a little bit of tan. Okay, so the first girl, she applied concealer from here to here, but Kristen, she applied a little bit here and then a little bit here. Oh my goodness, should I use a brush to apply this? I'm going to use this brush. So I'm going to take concealer. Oh my goodness, this is so wrong. This is so wrong. Let me watch it again. So she goes here, right? Ah, my eyeshadow. And then continues here. Okay. I don't like this. Now let's just blend it. Why did she apply concealer here? I don't know. So wish me luck. Okay, I see something. Yeah, I think this concealer is a hint lighter for me right now. So as Kristen says, I'm trying to blend it in the same spot. Like I'm not dragging this everywhere. Did I apply it too much? My nose is itchy. I'm keep watching the video over and over again to see if I'm doing it right. She didn't show us how she blends this part. Like, what am I supposed to do with that line? Am I doing this wrong? Kristen? Like, what the heck? Look at that. That ruined my bronzer. As I said, I'm watching this video over and over again. Yeah, she cuts the video where it gets more interesting. You guys, I don't like this. Now my contour looks like it's not blended. You see, like it looks like a harsh line in there. Like she didn't show us how she blends this part or this part. You see the line? No, I don't like this hack. Yeah, trust the process, but what's this? I look crazy. How am I supposed to learn if you don't show me everything? I'm going to take the brush that I cream contoured my nails, and probably I'm going to retouch that because I don't like it. And on this side I'm going to conceal as I would normally do. I'm just going to apply concealer here and a little bit here, and that's it. That's what I do. And also I use the sponge. So yeah, this is how I would normally conceal. That looks so beautiful, so natural, right? And whatever I have left on the sponge, I go here, okay? And a little bit here. That's all I do. You guys please tell me. I mean, yeah, it definitely looks different on this side, but my makeup looks unblended. I'm going to blend it in a second, but I don't know, just let me know what's the difference here. Like, is this side more lifted, more, I don't know, let me just let me know. What do you think? I feel like my makeup looks unblended right now, and I need to do something about it because I just can't leave it like this. And once I blended this out, I don't see any difference. I mean, yeah, I have less cream contour on this side, so I need to reapply some of that. What do you guys think? Please let me know. It was a good hack. Have you used this hack? Let me know in the comments below. And I know this is a short video. I should probably look for more makeup hacks on TikTok, but my TikTok is not on that side. I'm on the spiritual, nature and how to grow plants. I'm on that side of TikTok and I love it. Conspiracy, I do get some makeup videos, but they're like transformations, you know what I mean? So yeah, I need to look for more makeup hacks on TikTok. I'm going to gather a few and film another video, but this was a fail to me. So let me know what do you think in the comments below. Anyway, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.